I'm Craig Patterson, the Operations Manager at KDA Group, an accounting and taxation firm, supplying accounting and taxation services to a variety of clients. Mainly Monday to Fridays, as most office blocks we do, 8 to 5, 20 staff using computers and technology all day long. Our motivation for going solar was partly energy saving and going green as a whole, and also the cost benefits that we would get from that. Partly to go green and do the right thing in that way, and partly to save money. We've installed a 29 kilowatt system. For high quality, we like to maybe have a short-term pain for a long-term gain. You know, some of the cheaper systems available may not last long. We felt this was good, and it's a tried and tested technology that we have used before. Our payback on this high quality investment we estimate to be somewhere between 4 and 5 years. It was important for us to go high quality because of the location of the solar panels on the roof. It's quite a pain to get up and down. We need repairs, which we think the cheaper systems would entail that over a shorter period of time, where this system we've gone higher quality, cost a little bit more up front, but longer term it's a better deal. We like to invest in systems that we know we're not going to spend a lot of downtime. We're not going to spend our staff time repairing or chasing suppliers and service technicians and that sort of thing. So we believe it's much better longer term to pay up front and have something that's quality and is going to last a lot longer. As an accounting firm, we know the numbers. We've looked at it and said the longer term is much more beneficial for us, and we just see it's a win-win all round.